What up, WAP crew? You know me, opening the market today because it is Saturday. Having a lot of fun, putting everything away. Just chilling at the market.
WAP fam, I just went to the coffee shop, and the hot chick that was at the register, she wrote a note on my cup. She said, "You're hot." So, hey, we're having a great day today.
Morning, Wild Animal Protection fans. I'm just grubbing down right now. I'm gonna go to Caleb's house soon, so stay tuned for that. It's been exciting.
Where are my biscuits and gravy lovers out there, huh? Comment down below.
Hey WP fam, I apologize for the lack of content the past couple days. I've been kind of sick, so I didn't really film that much because I didn't really feel too good and because my voice sounded like a freaking dead goose. So I wasn't really filming, but we'll be picking back up on the content for the rest of the whenever year, whatever, blah, blah, blah. So yeah, that's that. Just want to give you guys an update because I felt bad because I was kind of leaving you guys out to dry. So sorry about that.
Good morning.
We just got some potatoes, some
Garlic bread.
garlic bread. Is it garlic bread yet, though?
Yeah, well, it has garlic on it, and we're just gonna cook it into it.
Yeah. We're going to Caleb's house. We're gonna party till we're purple.
Maya's making us dinner again.
Mad grub.
Chef Boyardee.
Tea.
Hey guys, we're out here at Minto Brown Park in Salem, Oregon. We're trying to find these sloughs. They're basically just ponds that is part of the river that got flooded, and then now it's just ponds. They call it a slough. We're trying to find some, see if we can hook up with some bass. I mean, it should be a couple. Today's a good day for fishing if they're biting. Like, water could be too cold. They could be done for the winter, but you know, fishing is fishing. Still gonna enjoy it while we can. So catch you later if I catch any bass.
1v1.
What the? Dude, I'm about to not clutch and you.
You're a choke artist.
How? Yay!
What's up, WAP fam? We are in Graham, Texas at the Possum Hollow restaurant. Check it out.
Are you kidding?
I'm the best. Second win, second game.
Myself when I was on when I had that jacket on.
We're gonna hop on some more Smash Bros, but until then, good night, Wild Animal Productions. We love you a lot. Thank you to all of our subscribers.
Peace out. Remember to like and subscribe, baby girl. I'll see you next vid.
Good night, WAP fam from Graham, Texas.
We'll see y'all tomorrow in Dallas at the Cowboys game. Sleep good, you little ladies.
Oh my god, that's bright.
Hey WAP fam, hope y'all had a great day. I know I did. Make sure you like and subscribe. Make sure to smash the like button. If you want the merch, got to email the email in the description down below. And always remember, stay wild.